As you can see here, we offer many different types of metal buildings. The question is, how much is the structure you have in mind? Our website is equipped with a powerful tool to assist you in calculating the price for a custom structure just for you. Allow me to demonstrate the pricing of a carport to get you started. From the home page, click on Carports. Then in the second level of navigation, select Prices. Here we are at the Location tab of our calculator. This page starts the process of being able to calculate the price for a carport, RV cover, metal garage, or steel building to meet your requirements. Please note all your selections will occur on the left side. As you make your selections, the picture will change and the details to the right will change. To begin, for example, simply select Carport. We do install our structures in 30 different states, but for this example we're going to use New Jersey as a sample, so we enter zip code 07059. Now select the correct county and city. Click Next to advance to the Size, Style, Gauge tab. Based on your needs, you can adjust the size of the carport. In this example, we're going to do a size that will be good for 2 cars to fit under. Double carports can range anywhere from 18 to 24 feet wide. We will do a 20 wide by 21 long and a side leg height of 7 feet. Notice under the carport image, the size of the carport is indicated. Now we will select the roof style, A-frame box eave. As we do so, notice how the image to the right changes based on our selection. Oftentimes in New Jersey, 12 gauge is selected to increase snow load capabilities. So we'll select 12 gauge for a thicker metal frame. Click Next. Keep in mind if you need to go back to make any adjustments, use the Previous button. Now that we have the carport to the right size, you can begin to add options to the frame. In this case, we will add side panels to both sides to reduce blowing rain and snow from getting on our cars. Next to consider are options for the ends. Let's add gable ends. Keep in mind the bottom of the gable end will typically be about the same height at the leg. We selected 7-foot legs, so our gable end will be about 7 foot high to the bottom. This gives you a general idea of what your carport will look like, but also an updated price. Notice the image shows us the carport with all the options we've chosen thus far. The next question to answer is type of surface to be installed on. We will select concrete for our sample, but you can select what is appropriate to you. Now we indicate whether the site is level or not. Select the box that applies. Click Next to move on to the Colors and Specs tab. First, take a look at the colors available by mousing over the question marks. We offer many colors. For this sample, we are going to go with a popular color. I will select Earth Brown top, Earth Brown trim, and Pebble Beige sides. Next, you will see notes based on your location for your area. In this instance, the note for New Jersey says that certified wind and snow load is required. So, we select the 105 mile per hour and 65 PSF snow load for New Jersey in this instance. Now, all the selections you've made have populated on the carport image, and it is displaying all the selections I've made with 2 panels, 1 per side, and 2 gable ends. While we're here looking at the top panel, notice the other helpful tabs with more information to help you in making your decision. Now, as we look further to the right, we view the Description tab, which tells us location, average install time, gauge, wind and snow load, and the price installed at your site. The Facts tab, or Frequently Asked Questions, will take us to the All Facts for your area. Using this shows the facts specific to your state. Next, the Warranty tab explains the warranty. The Reviews tab shows us many reviews. Finally, you can choose how you would like to receive your quote, either text message or via email. If you are ready to finalize your selections, click Place Order. If you wish to calculate another structure, simply select Refresh to go back to the beginning. We hope to speak to you soon. If you have any other questions that aren't covered in the Facts tab, we would be happy to help you out. Feel free to call us at the number here in the top right, and thank you for your time today.